Now student, we are going to discuss question number 5.13, and in this question it is given to you a short bar magnet placed in a horizontal plane has its axis aligned along magnetic north and south direction. Okay, we are placing a short magnet and that we can say axial position or we can say alignment of this short magnet is along magnetic north and south. This is given in a question. Null points are found on the axis of magnet at 40 cm from center of magnet. Clear? So now we can see, let's suppose I am drawing here, this is short magnet, this one is north, this one is south, and from here, from the center of this magnetic north, we can see actually we are having here this point P. Clear? And let's suppose this is axial point P. Clear? And it is also given here at a distance r equal to 14 cm. So at r equal to 14 cm, we are getting here null point. Now actually what is meaning of null point? Clear? So null point means we can say at the point P, magnetic field due to this short dipole, this is equal to magnetic field due to earth, or we can say it is equal to horizontal component of earth. Clear? So we can see at point P we can write like this: BH, this is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi multiply twice m over r cube. Clear to everyone? Yes. Now it is also given, yes, it is given here that earth magnetic field at this place 0.36 Gauss. So we can say this is equal to 0.36 Gauss. Clear? Now it is also given the angle of dip is 0. Find what is total magnetic field on normal bisector of a magnet at the same distance as the null point. So let's suppose we are taking here, let's suppose this is another position Q. Clear? And it is also having same distance, that is 14 cm. So now we know for an equatorial position, I can say here BQ, we are getting null point at this position. Clear? So BQ is written like this: this is mu naught upon 4 pi and multiply m upon r cube. Clear? We can also write like this: this is equal to BH divided by 2. Clear? Or we can say this is 0.36 divided by 2. Clear? So now we can write like this: BQ, this is given by 0.18 Gauss. Clear? So we can say this is value of magnetic field due to this dipole at its equatorial position. But what is our objective in this question? Our objective in this question is to calculate total magnetic field on the normal bisector of magnet. Clear? So total magnetic field we have to find. So we can write like this: B total. Now listen carefully. Because we are getting null point, it means earth magnetic field is just opposite as the magnetic field by we can say by this dipole. Clear? So we can say in this position we are getting direction of BQ in this direction. Clear? And we are getting a null point. It means we can see here earth magnetic field is also in this direction. Yes or no? This is also the horizontal component of earth. This is horizontal component of earth. Clear? You can see at P point you are assuming BH in this direction, that's why you are getting null point here. Clear? So now we can say what is total magnetic field at point Q. This is given by BH plus BQ. So I can write like this: this is BH plus BQ. Clear? What is value of BH? This is equal to 0.36 Gauss plus I can say BQ, this is 0.18. So from here we can write like this: this is 0.54 Gauss. Clear? So this is value of total magnetic field at equatorial position. Clear?